Apple's plans for an AI-based Siri overhaul to control individual app functions. Apple plans to introduce AI-powered text summarization and transcription to its built-in applications. Apple is expected to bring AI features with iOS 18 under the internal codename Project Greymatter. AI tools coming to Siri, Notes, and Photos. Upgraded Siri with advanced AI. Apple is planning to enhance its Siri virtual assistant using more advanced artificial intelligence. This upgrade will allow users to control specific features within apps using voice commands. Siri will be able to take command of all the features within apps for the first time. Revamped Siri software. Siri underlying software has been revamped using large language models, which are a core technology behind generative AI. The change required significant improvements to Siri's capabilities and will be one of the highlights of Apple's renewed push into AI. Siri will be able to answer queries on device, create summaries of lengthy articles, or transcribe audio as in the updated Notes or Voice Memos applications. This would all be done through the use of the Ajax LLM or cloud-based processing for more complex tasks. Highlights of Apple's AI strategy. The Siri upgrade is part of Apple's larger AI strategy, which will be unveiled at the Worldwide Developers Conference on June 10. Other features include voice memo transcriptions, quick recaps of websites and notifications, automated message replies, advanced photo editing, and AI-generated emojis. On-device processing and cloud computing. Basic AI tasks will be processed on devices themselves, while more advanced capabilities will be handled via cloud computing. Apple is also working on integrating OpenAI's chatbot technology into the iOS operating system and exploring collaboration with Google parent Alphabet incorporated improved Siri functionality. The new system will allow Siri to control and navigate an iPhone or iPad with more precision. Users can perform actions such as opening individual documents, moving notes to other folders, sending emails, and asking for summaries of articles. Current Siri limitations. Currently, Siri is limited to broader commands like playing music playlists, looking up information, and controlling smart home appliances. Developers can create app intents to allow Siri to tap into individual app features, and Siri shortcuts were introduced in 2018 for manual command creation. These changes are expected to be announced as part of iOS 18, and Siri's improved functionality will be a key focus during the WWDC Event 3. Exciting times ahead for Apple's virtual assistant. Apple is also backing generative AI features in its Photos app across iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS 15. Cleanup feature will allow users to remove unwanted objects from their photos, similar to Google's Magic Eraser. Generative Playground is the more interesting feature which will allow for image generation and photo edits in the Photos app and alongside an app extension in iMessage. Apple's generative AI software to create and edit images, and that it features iMessage integration in the form of a dedicated app extension, in Apple's environments. It's possible to generate an image through artificial intelligence and then send it off through iMessage. Users will be able to use AI to generate unique emojis, though there are additional possibilities for image generation features. Notes will receive AI-powered transcription and summarization, along with math notes. Apple has prepared significant enhancements for its built-in Notes application, set to make its debut with iOS 18 and macOS 15. The updated Notes will receive support for in-app audio recording, audio transcription, and LLM-powered summarization. Audio recordings, transcriptions, and text-based summaries will all be available within one note, alongside any other material users choose to add. This means that a single note could, for instance, contain a recording of an entire lecture or meeting, complete with whiteboard pictures and text. These features would turn Notes into a true powerhouse, making it the go-to app for students and business professionals alike. Adding audio transcription and summarization features will also allow Apple's Notes application to better position itself. While support for audio recording at the application level, along with AI-powered audio transcription and summarization features will all greatly improve the Notes app, they're not the only things Apple has been working on. Math notes, create graphs, and solve equations through the use of AI. The Notes app will receive an entirely new addition in the form of Math Notes, which will usher in support for proper mathematical notation and enable integration with Apple's new Greymatter calculator app. Math Notes will allow the app to recognize text in the form of mathematical equations and offer solutions to them. Support for graphing expressions is also in the works, meaning we could see something similar to the Grapher app on macOS, but within Notes. Apple is also working on input-focused enhancements related to mathematics, in the form of a feature known as Keyboard Math Predictions. This means that, within Notes, users would receive an option to auto-complete their mathematical equations in a similar way to how Apple currently offers predictive text or inline completions on iOS, which are also expected to make their way to visionOS later this year. Apple's AI-related projects are expected to make their debut at the company's annual WWDC on June 10, as part of iOS 18 and macOS 15. Apple's Project Greymatter and Ajax LLM cannot generate or process video, meaning that the company's software cannot answer complex video questions about consumer products. This is likely why Apple sought to partner with companies such as Google and OpenAI to reach a licensing agreement and make more features available to its user base.